Hello traders, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about, of course, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we'll also discuss about one strong and 1 week stock for 19th of January. So friends, in the previous video, we decided to go long or buy Apollo Hospital. Okay, and we decided to sell Nestle India. You have seen as Apollo Hospital gave a nice position to buy here, this area. This was also the 50% retracement of the previous swing. This was the previous swing. Almost 50% retracement happened, from where it continued its journey upwards, and you can see option premiums have doubled in this particular area. Did it go straight upwards to the target? No, but a very good upward momentum. Those who bought this were not in loss, is what I can clearly say. Okay, coming to our weak stock, we decided to sell Nescafe. Nescafe, immediately from this level, it started falling. First target was this area somewhere. This was the first target which was given, which was straight met in first candle itself. After that, we decided to have a second target, which was here, this area. I'll draw it for you. There it is. This was the second target that was also met. It went further down. It did not go to the third target, which was here. Okay, so both buy and sell stocks did do their job correctly without any second questions. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button if you are liking the videos. That way the content creator will get enthusiastic to create more videos and more learnings like this. Now the reason why we selected Nestle for sell, okay, all the breakdowns here, this breakdown, a double top, everything is given in the previous video. Those who want to understand can go watch the video. I have kept the screenshot of that video here. Just go watch the video. You will be able to identify everything. Even Nestle, Apollo Hospital, complete detail is given. Coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, friends. Most important, see today what happened is, in Bank Nifty there was a nice trendline break. This is exactly where the buyers entered the market and it straight came down. Now what has happened here is, at this level, if you draw a Fibo from this top to bottom, okay, this was very close to 50% level from where it took the rejection. What also happened is, people looking at this big bar candle, okay, and a retracement and upward momentum should have entered here, or people would have entered at the top of this, or probably max top of this, okay, for upward momentum. Now 23.6 was very close. That's where we usually sell. Then there was a clear breakout of this trend line. Okay, with this again people entered on long side expecting it to come back to these levels. But what happened is, at this level where 50%, usually FIS DIS sells at this area, and this was also a area where highest open interest was there. Okay, from there it took its rejection and continued going down. Now anyone who entered here, anywhere, would have placed their target at the gap filling, and exactly before that is what it turned downwards, friends. So buyers did not really get their target, but it turned downwards. From there it turned down and became sideways continuously throughout the day. Here there was a kind of a breakdown that was shown, okay, in the second half. This breakdown did not sustain. It went up, retraced. This retracement was very good, perfect, 38.2. okay, from here it continued its journey upwards. Okay, that's exactly what happened. More or less it gave a breakdown, trapped people, breakout, trapped people here, breakdown, trapped people here, and settled in between. Okay, what do we do for tomorrow? For tomorrow things are simple, friends. At 50% level, when this target will be achieved, again there can be a selling opportunity. There can also be a selling opportunity at this level, which is 21,647. Now if in case you see a 5-minute candle closing above this level, which is 21,700, consider 21,700 levels here. If you see a 5 minutes candle closing there, and then if there is a retracement, that's when you can go for upward momentum. That's when your targets will be, first target would be the top which was made here, second target would be this top, that is yesterday's high. Final target, we are not going to talk about day high, all time high, no, we are not talking about that. Final target would be this gap filling, friends. I don't think this will happen because this was a clear runaway gap. Most probably I am looking for downward momentum yesterday or tomorrow also. Now what we see is this, friends. See, we see this breakdown here clearly. Okay, this is your breakdown followed by a retest that has come here. Okay, what will also happen here is you will see a first top, a second top probably, and a fall. So you cannot still judge the market for it to continue to go upwards, friends. Currently there is good possibility of a downward momentum only in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, similar story. If I'm drawing this trend line like this, connecting these tops, okay, there was a breakout here, breakout. At this breakout, people should have definitely gone long. What happened is, after that it continued to go down. People would have averaged at this 23.6% or at 38%, 38.2%, but nothing really worked. It continued to go down. Now see, what happened is, it gave this Fibo 23%, people would have averaged 38.2%. say upper, it is going up from here, people would have averaged on this candle again. And what it did, next candle itself hit all the stop losses and came down. Here, what is important thing that people would have missed is simple, friends. When I'm drawing a Fibo from yesterday's top, okay, to today's bottom. Today's bottom is here. Yesterday's top is here. When I'm drawing this Fibo here, 38.2 levels, very close to that levels, we saw a bearish engulfing from where market turned downwards, hitting all the stop losses. That's exactly what happened. It went ahead and touched this area. Anyone who would have had their stop loss even here, okay, it got hit here, friends. So straight down is what it made. So that's how market reacted today. What do we see again? Now from 38.2 levels, when it is going down, just in case we see a breakdown of this trend line, friends, okay, we will go ahead and go short. What we can also do is we can draw a Fibo from recent top to this bottom, wherein we are seeing a 38.2 rejection. So here we are again going short. Now there will be a shorter trend line like this, which you can wait for a breakdown for downward momentum for this target, which would be the first target, first, second, third attempt. There is a good possibility that it will sustain this levels for a good amount of time, and then somewhere here after 12 is what it can give a breakdown and continue towards the next downward momentum, which is this area, friends. So be very careful with that. When will we start buying? For buying, friends, we want to see a breakout of this level, which is 46,850. Above 46,850 is what we will buy. I am talking about 1000 points up and above is what we can buy with good quantities. Until that time, we are selling on any rise. That is how the market looks for me. We would not create buy positions at break of this trend line. Good possibility that it will trap you here and continue its fall downwards. Just a caution that I am giving in this particular video, friends. Coming to most important part of the video, wherein we are going to discuss about one buy and one sell stock. Before that, let me give a standard disclosure. See, buy and sell is what we are doing only on paper. This is not a recommendation, friends. This is an educational channel. And if you are looking for more analysis and educational videos like this, do subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification so that you would not be missing out on any updates that are coming up on the channel. Coming to long first, we are choosing Infi for a long. We see there is a clear breakout and a sustained breakout. Now see, from here, if I'm back zooming, you'll see that Infi has gone straight up till here, okay, and this entire area, okay, This entire area is its sideward consolidation. Okay, after the sideward consolidation, finally there was a breakout that was noticed in last few candles today. Okay, this is where the breakout came and it sustained that breakout. Now what next? Now we would go ahead and extend this line like this, and we would draw a Fibo like this from the recent swing bottom to the top. You will see that there is an entry at 38.2. You can buy straight here for this target. You can wait for this 38.2 based on tomorrow's opening. We don't know how market is going to open, gap up, gap down. Based on that is what we would go ahead and select NFI for a buy. Okay, it is an uptrend. B, we see a breakout. C, we see a nice consolidation breakout. So with all these three reasons, we are looking for NFI buy. This gap is also a runaway gap. It did not come to this area except for this opening where there was a big gap down. From there also, it did not touch this gap. It continued to be upwards only. So we are looking NFI as strong. Coming to weakness, we see weakness in Bajaj Finserv. Okay, here what do we see? Stock is in good down kind of a trend. Reason number 2, if I am drawing a Fibo, before the Fibo, let me show you this point. See, here this was a bottom made. After this bottom, there was a clear breakdown in these candles. So if I am drawing this like this, okay, trend line, okay, I'm extending this trend line till here. You see a breakdown, a retest and a fall. Again, when market is coming till here, there can be a very good possibility of a rejection because this support has become a resistance now after this breakdown. There was a strong breakdown. Now if it comes here, it will act like a resistance. Now most importantly, if I am drawing a Fibo from the top to the bottom, the top is somewhere here, the bottom is somewhere here. So what do we see at this level? Even above this level, there is a good chance of it to show some rejection. So tomorrow if there is a gap up and if it is somewhere here or even little above that, even till 50% where there is a selling zone, okay, we can go ahead and short. For first target would be here, second target would be here, final target would be the bottom, friends. That's what we are looking at in Bajaj Finserv. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. That will encourage me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable day tomorrow.